Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So I want to share something with you that I'm sure a lot of you know, but if some of you don't know, it'll be a big help to you. It makes a huge difference in how the air conditioning works in this car, in any car really. And I didn't know how big of a difference it made until I tried it both ways. So let me go ahead and share exactly what I'm talking about, and I think you guys really enjoy it. So today it's been one of those really hot days here. It's going to reach 105. It's over 100 right now. And some people, I've been reading comments saying that the ACs don't work that good in Honda products. And I'm not sure if everyone uses the same method to cool their car down, but knowing one little thing can make a huge difference in how your air conditioning performs. Now I've tried this both ways and it does make a huge difference. My AC runs cold all the time, no matter, like right now, like I said, it's over 100 degrees, it's ice cold. It's ran good in my Acura I had, so I just want to share a little tip with you if you didn't already know. Like I said, most of you probably already know this, but if you don't, hopefully it'll help you out instead of being frustrated with the performance of the air conditioning system in these cars. So if you get in your car and it's really hot, like most of us right now, you put the AC on. Some of you might even put the windows down to roll them down to let some of the hot air escape, and that's great. But there's a very simple way to make it work really efficient. And this will make a huge difference, even if you don't use a sunshade or if your windows aren't tinted. Within a couple minutes, it'll be ice cold. And it'll help the longevity of your system as well. And that's what I'm always a huge advocate of, helping your car last as long as it possibly can. And some of these small things, like changing the air filter like I've showed you before, it makes a huge difference in how your car will perform years down the road. Because we know a brand new car, it works great, but years down the road is when things can start going wrong. So just want to share this really quick with you. And like I said, hopefully it helps you guys out. So you get in your car and it's a hot day, you turn it on, and you're going to put the air conditioning system on. And you put it on full blast thinking that'll cool it down, but actually it'll make it take forever to cool down, and it'll never even get that cold if you do it that way. So all you have to do is push this recirculating button on. Now this recirculating button, I never use the AC without it. If you're not familiar with what it does, basically what it does, it shuts the vents off from pulling the outside air in, and it just recirculates the air in the car. So if you don't use that button and you crank the AC on, it's taking all that air outside. So if it's 105 degrees, it pulls all that air in, runs it through the condenser and tries to cool it down, and then keep doing the same thing over. So you're trying to make your air conditioning system take this hot air and cool it down instantly when it gets inside your cabin, which it will never do. It's just gonna work really hard to try to do that. And if you keep doing it that way years and years and years, you will have issues later on with that. So you always want to make your car work as easy as possible for you. So the first thing I do is I'll put the recirculating button on, I'll turn the AC on. Then it automatically closes the vents. Within a minute or two, it'll cool the air inside the car, and it'll use that air that's already cool to continually cool it down. So it's pretty straightforward. If the air is already cool, the air conditioning system doesn't have to work as hard to keep it a certain degree. If you're using 100-degree temperature air, it has to work really hard, and it will never cool it down. And like I said, I've tried it both ways, and it keeps it ice cold within probably 2 minutes of it being 100 degrees. Over 100 degrees today, it's ice cold. So much so that I turn it down because it starts hurting my knuckles if I drive like that for an extended period of time. So again, like I said, I'm sure 80% of you already know all that. Just wanted to share it with people because people have been saying they put their AC on and it doesn't really cool it down. So this is a big tip that'll actually make it cooler and help your car last longer, because we don't want issues down the road with these parts because they're really expensive to replace. So if you're not sure of that, try it next time you're in your car when it's a hot day, and I think you'll be really happy with how cold it actually gets. These system works great. Hondas, Acuras, they get it really cold, ice cold actually. So again, I just want to share that with you if you weren't aware of that. Let me know in the comment section how you think your AC performs in your vehicle. Hope everyone's having a great day out there, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again, everybody.